Welcome to EXP, the first cloud-based, publicly traded, and profitable real estate brokerage, setting the standard with its dominant market share. This trailblazing brokerage offers a unique global community, crafted and propelled by the efforts of our dedicated agents and partners. This innovative model is not just changing, it's revolutionizing the real estate landscape. Our agents don't just build their businesses, they're also given the chance to have equity in EXP World Holdings. In a world where technology has reshaped industries like entertainment, hospitality, and retail, real estate has also become significantly impacted in the most positive way imaginable. Traditional real estate models, often stuck in their ways, are now being challenged. With their top-down hierarchy, from the company to local offices, these conventional models have long focused more on the brokerage's brand than on the agents and their businesses. At EXP Realty, we're charting a new path. We've ditched outdated elements like franchises, geographical limits, physical offices, and unnecessary management layers. We put our agents at the center of their business, giving them equity and offering multiple streams of income. This is made possible through our immersive cloud office environment, where agents have round-the-clock access to advanced collaborative tools, coaching, and networking opportunities. EXP Realty is witnessing unprecedented, continuous year-over-year growth, aiming to grow its network to 1 million agents worldwide. This journey began in the United States and Canada, where, over a decade ago, EXP Realty refined its business model, setting a solid foundation for worldwide expansion. Today, the company's presence spans 6 continents, demonstrating its global influence. The organization's core values are integral to its culture, ensuring that every decision aligns with these principles. Flexibility is critical in their operations, allowing for timely adjustments to serve their agents and clients better. At the technological forefront, EXP Realty equips every agent with a state-of-the-art lead generation CRM system named KV Core. This system, which would cost a non-EXP agent over $5,000 annually, offers a behaviorally driven, personalized IDX website, CRM, and tools for email and text campaigns. This ensures agents are always in tune with their contacts' behaviors, aiding in more effective conversions and increased levels of production. EXP Realty also advocates a paperless environment with SkySlope, an integrated transaction management system. This platform enables agents to manage their business seamlessly and stay organized. Every crucial piece of data is consolidated into a single, detailed checklist, ensuring everything needed is at the agent's fingertips. In-house technology development is a priority for the company, highlighted by their back-office business intelligence center. This tool gives agents autonomy and comprehensive insight into various aspects of their business, including performance metrics, commissions, revenue sharing, equity awards, and transaction details. The EXP Marketing Center is a comprehensive resource for all your marketing needs. Whether creating a quick postcard or an elaborate presentation, the center offers over 5,000 marketing materials you can customize in just a few minutes. Additionally, when you list a new property in your MLS, the system automatically generates relevant marketing materials and sends them via email, streamlining your workflow. Welcome to EXP World, our innovative 3-dimensional cloud-based virtual office environment. This platform enables you to meet, learn, and collaborate with agents and staff from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. You can easily join meetings or training sessions using a phone, tablet, or computer. In EXP World, over 1,000 full-time staff members provide real-time, live support to agents. EXP World offers more than 80 hours of live training each week. These sessions focus on industry best practices, strategies for growing a profitable real estate business, professional development, and much more. The training is conducted by our experienced professionals, top-producing agents, and teams from across the globe, arming you as real estate professionals with extraordinary tools to elevate your real estate business. Agents at EXP Realty also have access to Workplace by Facebook. This dedicated and secure workspace lets you connect, communicate, and collaborate with other agents and EXP staff. It includes familiar Facebook features like news feeds, groups, messages, and events, making it easier to manage your tasks efficiently. Understanding the occasional need for physical office space, EXP provides every agent with a global membership to Regus shared offices and their new brand, Spaces. Regus has an extensive network with 3,000 locations in over 900 cities across 120 countries. At EXP, every agent can become a shareholder in EXP World Holdings. You can earn equity awards by achieving simple production milestones, such as closing your first transaction each year, reaching your annual cap, or when an agent you referred joins EXP and completes their first transaction. Our Agent Equity Program is designed to help agents prepare for retirement. You can allocate 5% of your gross commission per transaction towards purchasing company stock at a 5% discount. The company's ticker symbol is EXPI. Please note that specific stock awards are subject to vesting conditions. The Icon Agent Program at EXP is unparalleled in the industry. Our founder, Glenn Sanford, believes in rewarding top-producing agents for their contributions. You can qualify for Icon status by either paying $5,000 in post-cap transaction fees or achieving $500,000 in annual GCI with a minimum of 10 closed transactions. Once you achieve Icon status, you receive a return of your entire cap paid to EXP as company stock, effectively giving you a 100% commission split. One of the most exciting aspects of our compensation plan is our revenue sharing model, which allows for you to partner with EXP and build a monthly leveraged income by attracting productive agents to the company. A capping agent will pay $16,000 in commissions. The company will keep $8,000 for company expenses and distribute the remaining $8,000 as revenue share through 7 tiers. EXP pays out revenue share by basing all calculations on the revenue share pool, which represents 50% of company dollar they've committed to pay back out to agents as revenue share. This allows every EXP agent to have the good fortune of creating a stream of monthly leveraged income and getting paid like a broker without any of the disadvantages of being a broker, such as capital outlay, liability, or any of the wide range of management responsibilities. Our revenue share model is based on a total of 7 tiers, and here's how it works. Tier 1 represents the agents that you have personally attracted into the EXP organization, for which each of their transactions you receive 17.5% of the revenue share pool, which is deducted from EXP's 20% collected on all transactions. Once the agent reaches their annual cap, they earn 100% of their commissions, and your revenue share from their transactions ceases for that year. That is why the minimum guaranteed for a $16,000 capping agent is $1,400. However, your earning potential extends across 7 tiers, depending on the number of agents you attract and their productivity levels. For tiers 1, 2, and 3, there are 0 agent qualifying requirements to open these levels, making it easier than ever for agents to participate in revenue share and enjoy a leveraged income. On tiers 4 through 7, revenue share is contingent on how many producing agents you have personally attracted to the brokerage, making this the most leverageable model in the real estate industry. EXP Realty continues to set the standard with its innovative approach, being the only brokerage that rewards its capping and Icon agents by unlocking tiers 4 through 7 exclusively for real estate production. Capping agents gain access to tiers 4 and 5 for a period of 13 months upon meeting their cap requirements. Furthermore, agents who achieve Icon status receive full access to all 7 tiers for 13 months. As a bonus, in the first year for any directly sponsored agent, the company will pay a whopping 50% of the revenue share pool, up to a maximum of $4,000 for a $16,000 capping agent or $5,000 for a commercial $20,000 capping agent. EXP is the only brokerage offering a minimum guarantee for a capping agent while providing the highest payout of any brokerage for a first-year agent you directly sponsor. Any of the revenue share pool not paid out will be added back to level 1 through 3 payouts as an adjustment bonus on a monthly basis. So, let's go through a quick example of how you can create a monthly leveraged income through the revenue share program. Here's you. You personally attract 5 capping agents. Then each of those 5 agents attract 5 capping agents of their own, giving you 5 agents on Tier 1 and 25 agents on Tier 2. For the 5 capping agents on Tier 1, you earn a minimum of $4,000 each for the first year, and for the 25 capping agents on Tier 2, you earn a minimum of $1,600 each, giving you an annual leveraged income of $60,000. In addition, you will receive the monthly adjusted bonus on Tiers 1 through 3. But note that these figures are based on each one of these agents' capping, which is approximately selling $2.7 million of real estate per year with an average commission of 3%. You can speak to an EXP agent or staff member for further explanation. The Pay Now feature is revolutionizing EXP agents' revenue share. Pay Now is a game changer that lets you withdraw from your anticipated next revenue share check for a nominal transaction fee. Express Offers is a revolutionary platform for homeowners looking for a hassle-free, quick sale option. This platform connects sellers with cash-paying institutional buyers, enabling swift transactions. Unlike other iBuyer platforms, Express Offers allows agents to earn commissions. At EXP, agents enjoy an equitable fee structure. There are no desk fees, royalty fees, or franchise fees. Every agent operates on an 80-20 commission split, capping annually at $16,000, after which they earn 100% commission for the rest of the year. Joining EXP is also financially accessible, with a mere $149 entry fee, including the first month's $85 per month technology fee. Transaction-wise, there's a $25 broker review fee and a $60 risk management fee, the latter capping at $750 annually. Furthermore, EXP has introduced a low-cost healthcare alternative for agents, complete with personalized virtual consultations to ensure the selection of suitable plans. EXP Realty's innovative approach and inclusive policies continue to drive its success, positioning it as the top independent brokerage in the U.S. based on closed transactions. This achievement underscores EXP's commitment to providing valuable and equitable opportunities for its agents. Assuming that your career in real estate is a significant part of your professional life, I'd like to present a few thought-provoking questions. Are you maximizing your income earning potential by keeping more of your hard-earned commissions, receiving equity or ownership in the brokerage firm that you're assisting to build, while having the opportunity to earn a monthly leveraged income and get paid like a broker without enduring any of the responsibilities of being a broker? Is your broker partner providing you state-of-the-art tools, systems, and support to ensure you are producing at the absolute highest level? And lastly, are you part of a brokerage network surrounded by some of the top producing agents around the globe that challenge you to be the very best version of yourself? Why not invest the time needed to simply explore if the fastest growing real estate company on the planet possibly aligns with the direction you would like to take your real estate career? I am confident in saying you will be happy that you did. For more information, reach out to the agent who shared this video with you. They can provide you with more insights and answer any questions.